Next, we're going to come to our pages up in the top left here, and we're going to find our topic catalog. We're going to come to our topic catalog, and you can see here are the 3 topics that we created: fact, news, and marketing. They look a little blah, so we're going to get rid of this. Delete that. We're going to go back to our components. We're going to come down to, where is it? Come down to our topic stuff. Here we go. We're going to come to our featured topics. There we go. So the style will give you some backgrounds and things like that. And you can see it's a little bit more visually appealing. So let's publish that. So again, now that we're in here, we see this is great, but let's go back to our featured topics over here. And inside of our featured topics, we're able to add imagery. So let's upload a thumbnail. Where did I save this? Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta remember where this saved. There we go. We're going to choose this one. We're going to upload that, and we're going to click Save. So let's go back to our Experience Builder, refresh this page, and you'll see now my tile has a background. And you can do that for all the tiles inside of the featured topics. So let's publish that. All right, looks like it worked. All right, the next thing we're going to do is go to the topic detail. So on the topic detail, we can leave the record banner. We're going to want to get rid of the feed. And we're going to want to add in the record detail. Oh, I'm sorry, we're going to add on this page the articles with this topic. So that's going to give us a listing of articles that we have in the community that are related to this topic. Make sure this is topic ID and the number of articles you can change from 5 to 10 to up to 25. So let's publish that so that we save. All right. Now we're going to go back into internal Salesforce, back into setup. And we're going to go, sorry, not into setup, into the rainbow waffle. We're going to go to files. So when we come to the files page, we can come to libraries, and in libraries, we can create a new library. So let's just do that. Demo library. You can give the library an image. Let's give it this one again. And save. Now, once you create the library, you're going to want to manage members and share it with your groups. Or a particular user. And usually I wouldn't let people be authors, but I think for our purpose, that's fine. So now that we've created that library, we can come back into Experience. And we're going to go to the file list page. So on the file list page, we're going to get rid of the file list. And we're going to add the libraries component. Publish that. And you'll see that the component then has some imagery on the library, so it's a little bit visually better for your people.